Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this lecture, I'm gonna show you how particles follow a curve. Let's Shift A and add a Bezier curve. Rotate the curve at 90 degrees on the x-axis. Press 1 key and go to the front view. Press Tab key and go to Edit mode. You can edit the curve to be exactly the shape you want. Also, you can press E key to extrude the curve. Now, we need a emitter to add particle system. Let's go back to object mode and add a plane as emitter. Press S key and scale the plane little bit. Rotate the plane at 90 degrees on the y-axis. Place the plane over on this side. Let's go to Particle Properties menu and add a particle system. Set the number of particle to 300. Let's press spacebar key to play. As you have noticed, the particles are just falling straight down. They are not following the curve. In order to get them to follow the curve, we need to select the curve and go over the Physics Properties menu. Let's enable the force field. Select the type of force field as curve guide. There we go. You can change the speed of the particles. To do this, select the plane and go to Particle Settings. Set the lifetime of the particles 150. Press spacebar key and play the animation. There we go. The particles are following much slower the curve now. If you want the particles to follow the curve much closer each other, select the curve and go to Physics Properties menu. If we set the clumping amount to 1, the particles come together at the end of the curve. If it is set to -1, the particles drifts apart at the end of the curve. The shape option defines the form in which the particles come together. As you can see, the particles follow the curve very straightly. If you want that they travel along the curve little freely, switch the type of field from the curve guide to the force. Also, let's switch the shape from point to curve. Let's set the strength to 7 in negative direction and set the flow to 1. As you can see, the particles still don't follow the curve. We need to disable gravity in the particle settings. Select the plane and go to Particle Properties menu. Go over the field weights and set the gravity to 0. There we go. You can increase the flow so that the particles get closer each other. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.